What's up guys, today's video is about the top 5 best receiving blanket of this year through extensive research and testing to put together a list of options. So what are the price, performance, and particular use? For more information on the products, do I have to include the links in the description box below which is updated for the best prices? Like the video. Do comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1. Simple Joys by Carter's. Unisex Kids Flannel Receiving Blankets. Gift your little one this cute printed Disney Winnie the Pooh receiving blanket to sleep tight and comfortably at night. 100% cotton is used to offer extra coziness to ensure the baby does not sweat during summer. Soft and light-weighted, this adorable blanket set is always best for keeping in a collection in your nursery. All of Carter's Unisex Kids Flannel receiving blankets are made with pure, quality flannel and have a soft, lightweight design. The blankets are so cozy to the touch that your kids will want to snuggle up in them every night. They come in different colors, patterns, and sizes for the perfect finishing touch on any outfit. These are the most popular receiving blankets in the USA, thanks to their great quality, soft texture, and affordable price. These blankets are designed to keep your child warm and comfy during the coldest winter days. Carter's Unisex Kids Flannel receiving blankets come in different styles and designs. You can choose from a variety of cute animals or characters such as teddy bears, hearts, stars, or other graphics for your child. Undoubtedly, these products are very smooth and snuggly, so we can ensure this is a suitable choice for babies. 30 inches size. This product comes with different shades of charming colors like yellow, ivory, and aqua. These blankets are machine washable. This beautiful receiving blanket comes at a reasonable price range with so many excellent features. Number 2. BORITAR Baby Blanket Super Soft Minky with Double Layer Dotted Backing. You might not be surprised that we love minky fabric. And even though there are plenty of great reasons to pick a different fabric for your blanket, minky is the perfect option for so many families with kids. And the best part? Our newest BORITAR Baby Blanket Super Soft Minky with Double Layer Dotted Backing is luxurious, durable, and made just for you. To provide extra softness, warmth, and a comfy feel against the delicate skin of your baby when wrapped in the blanket so they can sleep peacefully at night, the manufacturer does a great job using 100% polyester fabric to make this BORITAR Arrows printed baby blanket. Eye-catchy design and dotted plush fabric backing make it a perfect gift for babies. You will love to hear that this baby blanket fits perfectly for adults. Office or traveling, wherever you want, it can cover your legs. If you want a multi-purpose blanket, this super comfy blanket can be an ideal option for sleeping, cuddling, stroller cover, nursing cover, and burp cloth. It's luxurious, durable, soft, and oh so snuggly. So many blankets are made of scratchy polyester fabric, with tiny seams where they meet up to make a blanket. Its feel is more like a soft t-shirt material, rather than something that could keep your little one warm all night. That's why it can't be beaten. Our newest BORITAR Baby Blanket Super Soft Minky with Double Layer Dotted Backing is what makes the difference. These fuzzy feel-good blankets come in 30 by 40 sizes and at an affordable price range. We know that, for all parents, their baby's safety and comfort come first. This high-quality fabric of this covering has no chemical additives, so the blanket is natural, mild, and non-irritative. Number 3. Luvable Friends 10240176_alphabet Unisex Baby Cotton Flannel Receiving Blankets. Looking for a gift for a newborn? These adorable Luvable Friends baby receiving blankets are perfect, and you guessed it, perfect for all your new baby gifts. These flannel receiving blankets come in alphabetical order, so you can start to build the perfect nursery when your little one arrives. The soft cotton is great for any little one, no matter what age that may be. All the letter patterns are designed with safety in mind too, so your child will be safe from any potential suffocation hazards. When you are looking for something that can give your baby complete comfort during summer, you cannot skip this fantastic 100% cotton-made and imported blanket from your list. These blankets are very soft and gentle for your baby's skin. These products are very reasonable and handy. And the best part is you can use these daily. These baby cotton flannel receiving blankets are unisex, and you can use them for your baby boy or baby girl without being judged. Luvable Friends flannel receiving blankets are versatile baby blankets that offer many advantages. Happily, you can use this product as a blanket, nursing cover, burp cloth, car seat cover, tummy time cover, changing pad cover, and more. And these products don't need any battery support to give you the warmest feelings. You can use these products daily. These handy blankets can be an excellent gift to a baby or someone who is expecting. Number 4. Hudson Baby Unisex Baby Cotton Flannel Receiving Blankets. Hudson Baby's Unisex Baby Cotton Flannel Receiving Blanket is an excellent gift for your new arrival. This best receiving blanket is imported from the USA, and the manufacturer uses top-quality 100% cotton flannel fabric to make it. Your baby will feel super comfortable when you wrap them with this breathable blanket. Many people like this product because it is perfect for regular use, and you can rinse them in the washing machine. Nothing is more needed for a new baby than a blanket to make them feel safe and warm. A receiving blanket is one of the most practical items you can have on hand for this purpose. They are designed with a soft, cotton flannel fabric that comes in many different colors and patterns to match any nursery decor. They can be used for swaddling, burping, and feeding the baby. They are also an ideal gift for a new baby. Many parents like to use these blankets for their babies whenever they come to visit and to give them as gifts at Christmas time. These adorable receiving blankets are versatile baby products made for multi-purposes. You can use this product for a nursing cover, burp cloth, car seat cover, belly time, changing pad cover, and more additional. These super cute receiving blankets come with a 7 set in 1 pack. 2 chevrons, 2 anchor patterns, 2 whale patterns, and 1 denim color. You can get this product generous in size, and it adds more value to most of the parents. Number 5. Gerber Baby 4-Pack. Flannel Receiving Blanket. 100% natural finest quality cotton material makes all blankets in this pack remarkably comfortable on your little one's skin. This fabric makes them more breathable and will feel super soft in your newborn skin. These blankets are machine washable and dry fast. It is an ideal product for multi-uses, such as cuddling, burping, or swaddling, and it is the best receiving blanket for summer. For better or worse, your baby arrives in a very small package. This is undeniably true for babies as they are primarily small beings living and/or sleeping in a small space. The Gerber Baby 4-Pack Flannel Receiving Blanket helps your little one sleep safely and sound with their head slightly elevated from the ground so that it is not vulnerable to bumps, bruises, or falls. The flannel material of this blanket is thick yet soft, making it an ideal place for them to lay bare-skinned. It is important to note that the blanket is thin, so it will not provide much coverage in case of a winter storm or extreme cold. This product comes with 7 wonderful colorful patterns, and they are pretty. 30 inches by 30 inches. This beautiful covering is best for daily uses, super affordable, hassle-free packaging. A comfortable flannel receiving this blanket is a great choice to toss over the baby in the summertime. Winter or summer is best for both seasons.